Hello, hello. Great to see you again.
How are you doing today, Eva?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm fantastic. You know what? I had my coffee this morning, so I'm ready to go.
Coffee is always a good idea.
Always. So, Eva, have you been practicing your English?
Every single day. That's the secret, right?
Exactly. Practice every day, even just a little bit.
Even 5 minutes helps.
That's so true. Speaking of practice, I have something really useful for our viewers today.
Ooh, what is it?
Well, I was thinking, what do we use every day when we speak English?
Words?
Yes, but more specifically, sentences.
Oh, daily sentences.
Exactly. Simple, everyday sentences that native speakers use all the time.
That sounds super useful.
It really is. So today, we're going to learn 25 daily sentences.
25? Wow, that's a lot.
But they're easy sentences, simple sentences, sentences you can use right away.
I love it. Where should we start?
Let's start with morning sentences. You know, things you say when you wake up.
Good idea. What's the first one?
The first one is super simple. Good morning.
Good morning.
Perfect. You use this when you see someone in the morning.
Right. Before 12 o'clock, we say good morning.
Exactly. And here's another one. How did you sleep?
Oh, that's a nice question. How did you sleep?
Yes, you can ask your family, your roommate, your friends.
So if someone asks me, I can say, I slept well, thanks.
Perfect answer. Or you could say, I didn't sleep well.
That's honest.
Very honest. Okay, next sentence is, what's for breakfast?
Ha! I use this one every day.
Me too. Breakfast is important.
Very important. So these are all morning sentences.
These are morning sentences, yes, but we have sentences for the whole day.
Nice. What about afternoon sentences?
Good question. Let's talk about afternoon. When you see someone in the afternoon, you say, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Great. And if you want to make small talk, you can say, how's your day going?
Oh, I like that one. How's your day going?
It's friendly, right? It shows you care.
Exactly. And what can I answer?
You can say, it's going well, or pretty good, thanks.
Simple and natural.
Very natural. Here's another useful one. What are you up to?
Wait, what are you up to? What does that mean?
Great question. It means, what are you doing?
Ah, so it's the same as what are you doing?
Same meaning, but what are you up to sounds more casual, more friendly.
Very cool. So I can use it with friends.
Perfect with friends. And you can answer, not much, or just working.
Not much, just working. Got it.
Excellent. Now let's talk about food sentences.
Food sentences, my favorite topic.
Everyone loves food. So sentence number 1 for food is, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. Simple.
Super simple. And if you're really hungry, you can say, I'm starving.
I'm starving. That's a strong word.
It is. It means you're very hungry.
Like you haven't eaten all day.
Exactly. And here's a polite sentence. Would you like some water?
Oh, that's very polite. Would you like some water?
You can use this at home, at a restaurant, anywhere.
And if someone offers me something?
You can say, yes, please, or no, thank you.
Always be polite.
Always. Okay, how about evening sentences?
Yes, what do we say in the evening?
Well, first, good evening.
Good evening.
You use this after 5 or 6 p.m.
Right, not good afternoon anymore.
Correct. And here's a common question. How was your day?
How was your day? I hear this a lot.
Yes, it's very common. Families ask this at dinner.
So I can answer, it was good or it was busy.
Perfect answers. And here's another one. I'm tired.
Ha, I say this every evening.
Me too. I'm tired or I'm exhausted.
What's the difference?
Exhausted means more tired, like very, very tired.
Ah, like starving for hungry.
Exactly. You're learning fast.
Thanks. What about night sentences?
Good question. At night, we say, good night.
Good night.
You say this before you go to sleep.
Right. Not when you see someone, but when you're leaving.
Perfect understanding. And here's a sweet one. Sweet dreams.
Aw, sweet dreams. That's so nice.
It's a kind way to say goodnight.
I love it. What other sentences do we have?
Let's talk about helpful everyday sentences.
Okay, like what?
Like, excuse me,
Oh, yes. Excuse me. When do we use this?
when you need to get someone's attention or when you need to pass by someone.
So in a crowded place, I say, excuse me.
Exactly. It's polite. What about, I'm sorry,
Great one. I'm sorry is when you make a mistake.
or when you apologize.
Yes, for example, I'm sorry I'm late.
I'm sorry I'm late. Very useful.
Very useful. And here's another helpful one. Can you help me?
Can you help me? Perfect for beginners.
Absolutely. If you need help, just ask.
People are usually happy to help.
That's true. Okay, let's talk about thank you sentences.
Oh, these are important.
Very important. First one, thank you.
Thank you.
Simple and powerful.
And we can also say thanks.
Yes, thanks is more casual, more friendly. What if someone thanks me?
You can say you're welcome.
You're welcome. Classic.
Or you can say no problem or anytime.
Those sound friendly.
Very friendly. Now here's a sentence for shopping. How much is this?
How much is this? Perfect for shopping.
You point at something and ask the price.
And they tell me the price.
Exactly. And here's another one. I'll take it.
I'll take it. That means I want to buy it.
Yes, it means I want to buy this.
Easy.
Very easy. Okay, let's do some weather sentences.
Weather. Everyone talks about weather.
That's so true. So, simple sentence, it's hot today.
It's hot today when the temperature is high.
Right. Or you can say it's cold today.
It's cold today when you need a jacket.
Exactly. And here's a question. What's the weather like?
What's the weather like? Great question.
You can answer, it's sunny or it's rainy.
Simple descriptions.
Super simple. All right, let's do some feeling sentences.
Feelings. These are important.
Very important. First, I'm happy.
I'm happy.
Beautiful. You can also say, I'm excited.
I'm excited when something good is coming.
Perfect. And what about sad feelings?
Well, I'm sad.
Yes, I'm sad or I'm not feeling well.
I'm not feeling well. That's when you're sick, yes?
When you're sick, yes, or just not feeling good.
Got it. These are all so useful.
They really are. And the best part?
What?
You can use them today.
Today, right away.
Right away. Just practice them.
Practice, practice, practice.
That's the key. So let's do a quick recap.
Yes, a recap.
Okay, in the morning we say,
Good morning, and how did you sleep?
perfect. For food we say,
I'm hungry or I'm starving.
excellent. To be polite we say,
Excuse me and thank you.
great. And at night we say,
Good night and sweet dreams.
perfect recap.
We covered so many sentences.
25 sentences, all useful.
All useful for daily life.
Exactly. Now, before we go,
Yes?
if you enjoyed this lesson,
Please subscribe to our channel.
yes, hit that subscribe button.
It really helps us.
And click the like button too.
Show us some love.
And share this video with your friends.
Help them learn English too.
Everyone can benefit.
That's right.
Okay, now question of the day.
Ooh, I love this part.
Here's the question. Which sentence will you use today?
Great question.
Tell us in the comments, which one will you use?
Will you say, I'm hungry? Or how's your day going?
Or maybe thank you.
Write it in the comments.
We love reading your comments.
We read every single one.
Every one.
All right, everyone, that's all for today.
Thanks so much for watching.
Keep practicing your English.
Practice every day.
Even 5 minutes.
It makes a big difference.
See you in the next video.
Take care.
Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.